Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you with another instant episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got something from South Korea for, wait for it, the French market. This is Maison de Coree in collaboration with Samyang Foods. Carbonara. Yep. A South Korean company doing a carbonara for sale in France. What you think of that? Let me know. So it says these little bits in here are dehydrated carrot, freeze-dried carrot. Although they seem very light color to be carrot. I don't know, but that's what it says. Not only that, it's a soup. I really expected this to be something you drain, but you don't. Where'd that fill line go? There it is. Right up to that fill line. And cover it up for 3 minutes. Where's my little cup person when I need him? Did you know, everyone, that there is such a thing as a little figure that you put on the edge of your noodle cups to hold down the lid? This is true. There are lots of them. There are like dirty ones, there are like little ones that look like a little stick figure, just kind of like hangs out on them. There are a ton of different kinds of them, and I've got some. I should just keep them around the stove when I'm cooking. But you know, so this is the last review of the week. It's been a long week. France, Italy, and South Korea in this instant noodle right here. I'm trying to think of some kind of useful piece of information to pass on to you. Oh, okay. So I read this article, or I watched this little weird video today. So this college kid eats, he makes a whole bunch of pasta at the beginning of the week and then puts it out in the fridge, rations it out to himself, right? Well, one of them got left out for 2 days, but his roommate, he throws it back in the fridge thinking he probably just left it out for an hour. Guy eats it, gets horrible gut pains, barfing and pooping and the whole 9 yards. And then he goes and chugs a whole bottle of like Pepto-Bismol, which is like, And I saw somebody like drinking Pepto-Bismol like it was, oh, that was Gordon Ramsay on Hot Ones. He was doing that. That can like, I mean, it's like it's got salicylic acid in it. That's aspirin. So, yeah, you don't want to like upend a bottle of Pepto. Not really. But in combination with that and the bacteria, because the noodles were bad after sitting out for 2 days, especially in a Tupperware, man, they're just going to like breathe in and out, suck in air, and just all that gas. Oh, God. But yeah, the guy died. His liver basically exploded. Like, so just remember, kids, put your food back in the fridge. Guy's in college. He should have known better. But that's pretty sad. You know, it's not cool. I'm sure that's not what the way he wanted to be remembered as the guy who died from eating old noodles. Certainly not the way I want to go. I guess that's never going to happen to me because I don't like... I mean, the one thing, too, in the video, they talk about how he, like... he smelled the noodles and he thought they were funky. At least he told his roommate that. It's like... And it has, like, you know, a dramatization where they show, like, an actor portraying the guy and he's all like... And then he goes on that and eats it. It's like, you made it. You made it to college. You're studying, you're cramming, and you're eating rancid food. I don't know. Common Sense 101. Don't eat the funny smelling food that makes you recoil. At least dramatization guy, don't do that. So here we are. We have Carbonara from France. Well, for France, from, what do you call that place? Carbonara for France from South Korea. There we go. It looks very milky. And I'm game to give it a try. It smells kind of mushroomy, actually. Let go, Noodle. And then we have, come here. So this was like freeze-dried carrot. That's definitely not freeze-dried carrot. That was seasoning. Wow. Now I taste the full power of this carbonara taste. Here, let's just do one. Jeez, really? Yeah, you should see me use chopsticks. Everybody's like, dude, why aren't you using chopsticks? Yeah. There's some diced barbecue pork. Some spring onion. Give that a stir. Something, I mean, it's carbonara. You gotta have pork, right? And I need to clean the stove. Wipe up this unsightly little spot here. I apologize profusely. Don't hold it against me. I have an eating problem. Alright. Okay, and there's our carbonara, our French, Korean, Italian meal. It's kind of neat looking. It tasted good. I don't know what else I would add to that. Maybe some garlic, but why not? There's some garlic, right? Crispy garlic. Look at that, it's like a potato chip. I think of all the music that I've found to use for my videos, this is quite possibly my favorite song. This sounds a lot like a band from the 70s called Hot Butter. They did like covers of Apache and Popcorn and all sorts of good stuff. Lots of happy synthesizer music. Anyways, there you go. I liked it. I'd eat that. Wow. Well, if it's your Friday, I salute you. If it's not, then it'll be your Friday soon. Yeah. Now I gotta do a bunch of other stuff, so. This has been Hans the Ramenator wishing you absolute enjoyment and fulfillment from your noodles every day. Have a good one, and bye.